Hello friends, today we will see a problem on refrigerator. So here we will see the problem on coefficient of performance of refrigerator. So for that purpose we have to draw a figure. So now I will draw the figure of refrigerator. So now that will be the hot source and this will be the cold source. Now here what will happen? Here we are supplying work on that refrigerator. For running that refrigerator we have to supply the electric energy of W, and here the heat will be transferred from cold source to hot source. The function of refrigerator is what? Remove heat from cold source and that will supply to hot source. That cold source is also known as food storage. Here in food storage we can keep the fruits or the food for the cooling purpose, and it will absorb the heat and it will supply the heat to hot source atmosphere. So it will reject the heat to atmosphere. So here in that problem statement they have given condenser of refrigeration system reject heat at the rate of 120 kilowatt. So this will be the Q1 and this will be the Q2. So Q1 is what? Heat rejected from that condenser or that refrigerator. So that Q1 will be the 120 kilowatt. Now Q2. So here in given data I will write all the values. That Q1 will be 120 kilowatt. Q2 they have not given, so we have to find out Q2. W, so W they have given how much? That W will be the compressor consumes the power of 30 kilowatt. So here friends we have to supply the work of W, so that will be the Q1 minus Q2. Okay, so as for the formula of coefficient of performance of refrigerator, so that will be what? Output divided by input. So here in case of that refrigerator, so output will be what? Output we are taking at Q2, means in cold storage we are taking output. If our food will be get cold, then that will be the what? Our output. So Q2 will be output. And input, how much will be the input? We are giving input of 30 kilowatt. Okay, coefficient of performance of refrigerator will be Q2 divided by 30. So why this will be the equation number 1. Now we have to find out the coefficient of performance. So here this is the equation of first law of thermodynamics, that will be the W is equal to, as per the first law of thermodynamics, W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. So here we have to find out the Q2. So we can find out the Q2 easily. Q2 is equal to Q1 minus W. So Q1 will be 120 minus W is 30 kilowatt. So Q2 will be the 90 kilowatt. Okay. So now we can easily find out the coefficient of performance. Coefficient of performance of refrigerator is equal to Q2 will be 90 divided by 30. So this will be the coefficient of performance of refrigerator. COP is equal to 3. So this type of problem we can solve easily if you have understood the concept of that refrigerator.